Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and unedited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
All right. Log drone 1. We're going to be out at ShopRite on a shoplifter. So you see that little orange sign over here by the trash can? That door. That's the loss prevention. Hello. Thank you. Just go right to the back up the stairs.
Around 8:06 p.m. on October 14, 2024, officers Stephen Chowanec and Donovan, Ortiz with the Hoboken Police Department responded to a report of a shoplifting at ShopRite on 900 Madison Street. The officers walked upstairs to the loss prevention office and made contact with the alleged shoplifter. They were informed that a woman was being detained by store security after attempting to steal about $144 worth of items, as indicated on the receipt.
These are infamous stairs everybody talks about on YouTube. All right. Hello. How are we?
I just wanted to let you guys know that you all can film, be a body on camera, remain in distance right there, okay? So,
yeah, lady here concealed multiple items inside of 2 reusable bags, and then she walked out through an empty register and out the vestibule.
okay, so you said they were in that bag?
In both bags, correct.
Both bags?
2 reusable bags.
So then there's the receipt?
That's the receipt of hold down pay items, correct?
Okay.
We can take that with us.
Okay. How did she conceal the items? She put it in the bag from...
Yeah, she just in the bag. She was carrying them and then just in the bag.
So when you say the unmanned register, it was one of the registers where the employees would usually stand, right?
I'm sorry?
You said it was unmanned register, so it was one of the aisles where the employees would actually scan the items, you're saying?
Yeah, she just passed through an empty register and right out without.
Okay. Alrighty. You did all your paperwork and everything?
Yes, I did.
Alright. She's 2'5".
Maybe you want my email for that? Something?
Yeah, I got it. 1 second.
I'll take that. You take care of the... okay. Let's get that bag off. What's your email? Right there.
The woman was identified as Carla. She was initially under the impression that she would only receive a warning, and she seemed surprised that she was being arrested. Carla was placed in handcuffs, escorted down the stairs, and placed in the patrol car.
I was just told that I was just signing some paperwork and getting a warning.
No.
You place that, please? Just put your hands on your back.
Okay. What is the reason?
Shoplifting.
I'm sorry?
Shoplifting.
Alright, and? I thought that I was just told that I was going to be given a warning right now.
Anything on you that was going to poke me?
I'm sorry? I'm sorry?
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me in your prime?
No.
The items that are in her bag, were they from here?
I didn't check that bag out. I'm not sure.
Oh, was any force used?
No, no.
No,
offense.
No threats?
No threats or nothing? Okay.
Is that from here or no?
No.
Where is this from?
Just mine.
I didn't go on the back, so that won't be in the receipt.
No, I just wanted to see if it's similar items. Well, it's not going to make a difference as far as the degree goes, based on what we have, but if you can confirm it, you know, let us know via email, like how you have it on video, that she actually uses that too. We'll add it to our report, but...
Where's your friend?
Downstairs.
Keys. She waiting for you downstairs or outside?
Yeah, I think we're good. I'm getting the rest of the information, bring it to the car, transport, I'll take care of the rest. Alright?
Do I go?
Wait, thank you. Alright, so yeah, we'll send you the Axon link.
Sure.
I'll have them email you too, from our email.
Okay.
Just so you, if you can confirm that the items she placed in there are hers too, we'll add it to our report, but like I said, that's probably like another $10 worth of stuff. And
Right.
the degree won't change, because you're at 144. Alright? So, alrighty? Thanks, man.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
This is not gonna be like some overnight thing, right?
No.
Thank you for being so nice and not being a bitch.
Bobby?
Can you please just take my hair out of my gum that is stuck in my gum?
Your gum? Thank you.
The hair in my face is stuck like, can you just move my hair?
Nah, I'm not doing it.
Okay.
Just wait till you start out. We're in 1 female 75, starting out, alright? Okay. So,
5202.6.
what car is this?
130.
130?
5202.6.
We got one female 1025, and the starting mileage would be 5205.6.
Everything. Alright, 20. You should have a Mohammed, Isan Mohammed, and that is a valid driver.
Received.
main things that should be asked like in a situation like this? Like,
Well, shoplifting?
yeah.
You're gonna find out what she took. If they have video footage, the aisle that you're looking at, they'll review the aisles that she pulled down, see what she took. Now they'll go back and they'll see those items that she has in her bag. They'll go back and check to see if she had pulled those from anywhere.
Okay.
Always try to get a printed receipt, even if you're not taking it, because you're not going to take the items. You just got to print the receipt of what it is and then you can upload that.
Okay. You think that, like, when it comes to ShopRite, there's no point of asking, are you want to press charges?
Most of the time they do. Most of the time they'll press charges against them, but very few times that they don't. They just take information, they put them on the list of people who aren't supposed to be there anymore. And as long as they're informed at the scene that they're no longer allowed to go to that ShopRite or any of the ShopRite that's owned by this company, they've been warned. So anytime after that, it's a trespass. You see them coming in and they're not supposed to be there, they'll just call us up.
RC. 4634.
34 Alpha on scene.
36 Alpha.
Said 130, right?
125 Rebecca City. 4625.
12 at the bus.
130. 130.
3 up.
And any mileage, you're going to be 5206.8.
¿Por qué tienes dolor en tu brazo y tu pierna?
Space you want from me, please?
I'm sorry?
Space you want from me?
Step in. Alright.
I'm take off your right. What it was. You're gonna put it on the wall for me, okay?
I'm sorry?
You're gonna put it on the wall. Your hand. Turn around to the seat.
The officers transported her to the Hoboken Police Department for further processing. Carla was charged with shoplifting under to see 21(1)(b)(1).
Good. I'm gonna stop the video this time.